pandemic has caused the stock market to reach its all-time low and has caused severe cash
कोरोना से बचने का इसके अलावा
I am Lopamadra. In this COVID-19 series, let's talk about a very important topic which is most needed at this hour: the payment of school and college fees during the lockdown. This is Law Explained. India is home to the largest youth population. Most of these youngsters pursue various professional courses and higher studies and spends a lot on education. The continuous lockdown from March 25th halted our economy to a great extent, and the common man is facing untold miseries psychologically and financially. The academic year for education doesn't stop for any pandemic. This year also it has arrived. But the only thing is, the parents and students, they are not able to welcome it with cheer due to this unprecedented financial crisis. The schools and colleges have started demanding fees from the parents and students, and they have also warned if the fees are not paid in time, they'll have to pay a huge amount as fine. The parents are in a fix. Many parents have got salary cuts, some parents have lost their jobs, and some parents have got business loss. Seeing the pathetic and helpless plight of their parents, the children also are emotionally disturbed. They are worried. They are skeptical about their future. They are not sure whether they will continue their education or not. A student said to us, "We want a waiver of fees for this semester or a discount at least from the college." Many students from various engineering and management institutes contacted us stating that the institutions where they study demanded examination fees from them despite lockdown. It seems a leading private university in UP has reportedly emailed all students asking them to submit rupees 1.50 lakh immediately, failing which they will be fined rupees 100 for each day of delay. Some parents grieve that without opening the hostel and mess, many colleges are demanding hostel and mess fees in advance from the students. Without the authentic classroom experience, does it still make sense for students to pay the same tuition fees? Many parents ask. The AICTE have informed the students that if their college or university is going to pressurize them for payment of fees during this lockdown, the students can send an email to their college administration and also mark a copy to the AICTE grievance cell so that they can take severe action against these erring institutions. Likewise, the University Grants Commission has urged universities and colleges not to insist upon immediate payment of tuition and exam fee from the students during this lockdown. UGC had issued an email and helpline number for addressing grievances of students related to COVID-19. In case of any inquiry, students can call at 011-2323-6374 or email at covid19help@ugc@gmail.com. The Supreme Court refused to grant concession or fee waiver for students at private colleges which are shut amid COVID-19 lockdown. The Apex Court stated that the colleges need the fees for their functioning and suggested the students to talk with the concerned universities. The government of Rajasthan, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Haryana and UP have announced that the private schools should not pressurize their parents for payment of fees during this lockdown. Many public interest litigations have been filed in for waiving the school fees in various high courts of Orissa, Delhi and Rajasthan. Delhi and Rajasthan High Court refused to give any direction for waiving the school fees, while Orissa High Court had ordered notice to be issued to the government. The country, which has 600 million of young people under the age of 25, is only the future hope of this country. The COVID-19 pandemic should not be a roadblock to these children's education. If the society, government and the judiciary is not going to help these children at this crisis, definitely many underprivileged children will become dropout in this country, and their right to education stated by the Supreme Court in Mohini Jain versus State of Karnataka will be definitely affected. It's not only a damage to them, but a damage to the entire society. Parents and students plead to the educational institutions to be considerate to them at this hour. If you have any doubts or queries in this topic, please put it in the comment box. If this video was useful to you, please share and subscribe to our channel for more content from Law Explained.